Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine photos on iPhone. So guys, if you want to combine photos or images on iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open Shortcuts app and tap on plus icon and add a new shortcut. And now search here for select photos. Tap on this and tap on blue arrow button and now turn on select multiple and now search for combine photos or images. Here you can see this, and now select the horizontally or vertically option, whichever you want, and now search for save images or photos. So guys, do this and now tap on this arrow button and rename the shortcut as combined images. And now you have to simply add this shortcut to the home screen. For that, tap on arrow button again and tap on add to home screen again, and now tap on add button. So guys, here you can see this, the shortcut have been added. Now you have to simply go to combine images shortcut and select the images which you want to combine. Here I am selecting these ones and now tap on done button, and here you can see this, the images have been combined. Now go to photos, and here you can see the combined photos or images on your iPhone. So guys, in this way you can also combine photos on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.